Gabby is a name that haunts Sasha fans to this day. How cruel Attack on Titan can be. People say that Gabby's character is straight trash, but in reality, it is not. Actually, Gabby exposed the hypocrisy of Attack on Titan viewers in just one episode. I mean, what a savage. We all know that during the raid at Liberio, the people of Paradis attacked the nation of Marley and killed several people. In the raid, Gabby's precious friends and other warrior candidates, Udo and Zofia, tragically died. The worst part is that they did not even do anything to the people of Paradis. They were just caught up in the war. Other than them, some more people who were close to Gabi also died after they were shot by the Predator Girl and the most beloved character of the fandom, Sasha. Seeing all the acts committed against her loved ones, Gabi wanted revenge. She swore to kill all the island devils. So when the scouts were escaping by the airship, Gabi took the opportunity and got on board. With the help of a rifle, she shot Sasha and killed her. This way, Gabby became the most hated character of Attack on Titan and one of the most hated characters in the entertainment world of recent times. So, how did Gabby expose AOT fandom? Now, a lot of people think that Gabby is trash, Gabby is this, Gabby is that, and blah blah blah. Do you know why Gabby was created? Isayama is not an ordinary person. He must have created Gabby with something on his mind. We saw that in the final season. The final season of Attack on Titan started with the perspective of Marley, so that the watchers would know the whole picture of the story and see the problems on the other side of the sea. The watchers came to understand that not only the aliens in Paradis, but the aliens in Marley also suffered. The main difference was that they were fighting for Marley, and they thought that they were good aliens and the Paradis people were the bad ones. This was when people realized that Attack on Titan was a cruel world involving war, propaganda, and ideologies. The Marley perspective was required so that the viewers would know the whole picture and would sympathize with the warrior candidates and some alien soldiers, especially Reiner. People did just that. Isayama succeeded in his storytelling. But as soon as Gabby killed the fandom's favorite character, they lost their minds. It was as if whatever they watched in the final season was thrown straight down the trash. You care about Sasha and her sufferings, but what about Gabby? What happened to the understanding of the war and that revenge stuff? What happened to the Marlian perspective? I am sure 90% of the watchers cursed and hated Gabby when she got her partial revenge, right? I mean, there is even a video of Gabby getting punched for an hour straight. Just think about it, how humanity has fallen. I think there is only one similarity between Eren and Gabby. Eren wanted nothing but revenge when he first saw his mom get eaten in front of his eyes. Gabby wanted the same thing, that is, revenge. But still, you love Eren for the revenge and yet you hate Gabby for the same thing? What is this hypocrisy? Just because Gabby killed Sasha, you hate her? What about Eren? He was the reason that Gabby lost her mind in the first place. She was a brainwashed kid already, and it is completely understandable why she took her revenge. Isayama must be laughing at his watchers while eating popcorn. He succeeded in creating Gabby's character. He would be 100% sure that people would hate her, and he got it right. Now imagine if you were there in place of Gabby. You just saw your friends and loved ones die before your eyes, even though you know that they did not do anything to Eren Yeager. Won't you want revenge? Or would you let it slide and think that, well, it is alright, let them die, I'm gonna eat something? Would you listen to the story of Eren and his people suffering at that point? Why would you even care about the people of Paradis? They were the ones who destroyed your place. They were the ones who destroyed your life. What do you expect from a brainwashed 12-year-old child? Hell, that killing of Sasha wasn't even some brainwashed stuff. It was simple revenge. So, in short, Gabby did nothing wrong. This is war. This is the cycle of hatred. Isayama's message is clear. Wars will happen, people will take revenge, and the cycle will continue. The important part to keep in mind is that everyone should understand Gabby's character. Falco was able to have sympathy towards the Paradis people as he had listened to the stressful conversation between Eren and Reiner. Otherwise, who knows, maybe Falco would have turned out to be like Gabby as well. But Gabi didn't know any of it, so it makes complete sense. Unless you don't understand the story told by the ones who have suffered, you would never understand their pain. Isayama is a true genius. Who would have thought that a 12-year-old would hurt the Watchers of AOT more than any other character? Beats me. It is safe to say that Gabby is really brave. She charged straight at Eren's soldiers in order to cut them down, just like Galliard. Check out my video of Porco Galliard where I explain why he is one of the bravest characters in Attack on Titan. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. As for the video, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.